Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do the review of these makeup products today. You don't even understand. I have been checking my email and stuff since I ordered this with the pre-order. I knew it wasn't gonna ship for like a month, but I kept checking anyway. I'm so excited. Sorry, I might have like some Dorito on my lips because I am so hungry right now. As you can see, I'm totally not a huge Selena fan at all. Not at all. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look and see some swatches and stuff of the products that I do have. Unfortunately, I don't have all of the collection, but I did get some pretty amazing things. Oh, and before you forget, please hit that subscribe button down there. We just hit 6K. I'm so excited. I can't wait for the day when I get 10K. That's gonna be amazing. I really appreciate all of your support, and let's just get into the video. This is future Alyssa here. I'm sorry. I keep trying to make my videos look as good as possible, and I love my new camera, but like I need to get a mic because as you will see in this video, the same issue happened as another video and you can hear my camera focusing. I know it's annoying, but at least the quality looks good, right? Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye. I'm gonna get started by swatching the palette for you. I really don't want to do this because, oh, look at that light. The reflection in this mirror. There's nothing more satisfying than a super clean mirror. I don't want to mess it up. When I first saw the palette, I wasn't too crazy about the colors in it because, I don't know, some of them I really love just looking at it, but the red and pink shades, I feel like I have a lot of those colors already and I don't usually like gravitate towards them unless I'm going for like a really warm like Valentine's Day look. But then I was looking at the pictures of the looks that they created with them on the MAC website, and I think I want to recreate one of them today because it's actually really nice. I keep getting texts while I'm trying to film. Here we go. That's just on my finger, which is pretty nice for a brown. It doesn't feel chalky and weird like a lot of matte eyeshadows feel. This is using just one little light swatch. I didn't like really go hard in there because I don't want to mess it up. It's so perfect. The next one is the darker brown shade. It is super pigmented. This is the shimmery pink shade. This is the red shade. Why am I doing this so bad? Now we're getting into the glittery shades. Oh wow. That is the pinkier one. Ooh, I love this one. It's like a bronzy brown color. This one is the like neutral tan colored one. I don't know if you could really see that. And this is the last shade that I'm swatching right now. Now I'm gonna swatch the lipsticks. I'm really sad about this because they're so perfect. I want to have it forever. I honestly wasn't expecting it to look like this. It's a really pretty red. This one is probably going to be one of my favorite lipsticks ever. I'm noticing that with the first pass, they're pretty sheer, but they're definitely buildable. I'm really excited about this. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and this tan color. It's not that tan, it's pretty light, but I keep calling it tan. And even though I like primed my lids and set them with setting powder, I'm gonna do this anyway because I just want to, you know? We're doing a review. Might as well use as much as possible. So I'm following this look. This is the BMX 430 Crease Brush by Moda Pro. This color right here. And they brought it pretty far up, which is what I like to do as well. I like to start with the lighter shades and then gradually build it up, because if you try and go in right away with a dark shade, it's gonna get all patchy and be hard to blend, and nobody likes that. They brought it down into more of like a rainbow shape. I kind of like to bring mine a little bit up more, so I'm just gonna tweak it to my style. It looks like that's what's on the lid too. I really, really, really love this shade. I'm gonna use this brush. It's a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna use that lighter brown color right here. Put a little bit on the outer corner here. It's hard for me to talk when I'm doing my eyeshadow. And if you lost any of that first shade, you can kind of just blend it out a little bit. Next is the darkest brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna do basically the same thing, but try and keep it a little bit lower. I don't want to bring it too far out and then lose the other two colors. I think I'm gonna go back in with a flat brush to apply the middle shade again. Okay, that's basically it. My chicken is making a lot of noise, one of them, so let's try and ignore that, but hopefully she calms down a little bit. This looks like this shade first, and then this one on top of it. These kinds of brushes make it really easy to line up with the eyeshadow on the top lid. I'm gonna use this blending one. Just taking a little bit on this brush and blending it down, because they do have it pretty low. I usually don't do this, but I want to try it out. I like the way the picture looks. Next up is the one that I'm most excited to use. This is such an interesting choice. I never think to put glitters on the bottom only. I'm gonna use this eyeliner brush, an angled one. It'll help me get that inner corner part. Oh my god, I just touched my eyeball. Okay, I think they used the dark brown shade to line on top, and they definitely used eyeliner on her waterline, so I'm going to put eye drops in really quick. My eyes got a little bit of makeup in them and they're a little bit irritated, and I'll come right back. I'm gonna use some mascara now. This is my go-to. I use the Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara in Blackest Black. It reminds me so much of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I also use waterproof because it definitely keeps my lashes curled a lot longer, like all day. I have some Ardell Demi Wispy eyelashes on, and I also use the Makeup Forever Aqua Eye Pencil XL in my waterline and tight lined and all that stuff. Now it's time for the lipstick. The last test of the day. I'm going to try the red one first. I don't have lip liner. I have maybe 2 or 3 lip liners and they're not this color, so not gonna use it. This has a nice sheen to it. It's not matte. It looks really bad because it's not lined and I didn't put it on that well, but I do really like the color. I feel like the Hispanic side of me shows more when I wear red lipstick. I kind of want to like put some hoops in. So ignore the bad application, but I really love this lipstick. Now I'm gonna take it off. Now I'm going to use the next one. I just put chapstick on and then I wiped it off, but I did not crackly, crazy lips. Wow, this color is really pretty. Definitely a nude, a pink nude, which I don't have a lot of. Most of the time I wear like orangey tone nudes. I love this. I hope that, I don't know, I doubt that it's still in stock, but I kind of want to buy more because I'm afraid to run out of it, and I use my favorite lipsticks like crazy. Man, this collection got me feeling nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, though. I know I did because I had a lot of fun. I've been wanting to experiment with this, but I didn't want to test it or anything until I made a video. That way you get my like first impressions and everything. I don't think these eyeshadows feel chalky at all on my eyes. I think everything is great quality. The lipstick has that signature MAC lipstick smell, which is amazing. It's also super comfortable. Like my lips feel really moisturized and great right now. So I'm really happy with all of this. I'm so happy that they released a new Selena line. The first one I was not able to put my hoops on. I'm channeling my inner Selena. Please remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. You can leave me comments down below. Let me know if you got any of this stuff. I don't know if they're going to release more or what. I know it is limited edition, just like all of these kinds of collections. I really appreciate you guys so much. I love you. You're amazing. Thank you for everything. I hope you have an amazing day and are staying happy and healthy and safe. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!